we're going to take out a little bit of curl cream and we're going to emulsify it in our hands. So 1 squirt, okay? So I know that it's usual as a curly girl for us to want to take a lot of product because we're trying to prevent the frizz, but the way that you've just washed, you're already halfway there. So we don't need tons and tons of styling products to be able to make that happen. So 1 squirt, and as you can see, look what it's doing on my hands. With her lying with her head in the basin, it's a slightly different technique. If your head is over in the shower and you're applying this yourself in the shower, you're going to use the praying hands method. So that would be to take your hands like this and apply it through your hair like that. So we're just making sure that we have even coverage, and we're using that same sort of milking technique, always working from the roots down. If you feel like your hair is drying out too much, you're going to actually run a little bit more water over it. And now we start with the squish to condish. So we're going to smooth again like we did with the conditioner, same sort of technique. Can you see that I'm lifting the hair away from the head, because with Maureen's head lying in the basin, we don't want her to get that flat hair going back there. So we're actually lifting up here and smoothing it here like this. And then we will take that hair and squish to condish, just to create those beautiful clumps. Holding it away from the head. If you're trying to get some volume, this is really important. You can also feel with your fingers that you've actually applied the product evenly. So now we're going to add the Hold Me Baby Curly Hair Gel. This gel is absolutely incredible for frizz prevention, really great in humid areas, and we're going to add a layer or coating over Maureen's curl cream and really get those juicy curls. Now this is the praying hands method that we use over what we've already squished, and you're going to make sure that you are applying with praying hands and then squishing without destroying the curl pattern. So smooth that over with the praying hands and then squish.
It smells wonderful.
It's delicious grapefruit. So now we're going to use the microfiber towel, and the reason for this is we want to keep those clumps in place. The microfiber towel actually helps to smooth those cuticles down, which gives you longer lasting curls, which means day 2, day 3, maybe day 4 hair. So let's do this. We squeeze out the extra moisture and you cup the hair into the towel and squeeze, gently, gently squeeze, and let go. Can you see those beautiful results? So you cup the hair gently into the towel, squeeze, and let go.